Welcome to Quran for Humanity channel. Here we discuss various topics about the Quran. Today we will discuss the size of the universe as described by the modern science, the Quran and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. How big is the universe? This question has been on the minds of thousands of ordinary people as well as scientists for centuries. The latest scientific and technical developments are helping us to get the answers gradually. Recent images from the James Webb Telescope have brought this question again on the surface. Because of the progress in science and technology, we were getting various details and images of the space for the last few decades. But the latest images from the James Webb Telescope has thrown new light on the topic which we will discuss in this video. We also want to bring to your attention another side of this question, which is rather more amazing. The clues provided by the Quran and the Hadith, that means narrations by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, 1400 years ago, and how close they are to the answers provided by the science. So first let's see what answers we got from the latest images of the Webb telescope. When President and Vice President of USA were receiving a briefing of the first images from the James Webb telescope, President Biden asked a NASA official, "Please tell us what we are seeing." The NASA official gave an amazing reply.
As Administrator Nelson, I'm going to turn this over to you. So will you please tell us about what we're seeing?
Mr. President, if you held a grain of sand on the tip of your finger at arm's length, that is the part of the universe that you're seeing, just one little speck of the universe.
Here are some more details of what NASA officials said. If you held a grain of sand on the tip of your finger at the arm's length, that is the part of universe that you are seeing. Just one little speck of the universe. And you are seeing just a small little portion of the universe. 100 years ago, we thought there is only one galaxy, and now the number is unlimited. And in our galaxy we have billions of stars and suns, and there are billions of galaxies with billions of stars and suns, and we are getting our first glimpse. We are looking back at 13 billion light years. Amazing, just amazing. We are seeing hundreds or thousands of galaxies in the image provided by the Webb telescope, and they were compared to a grain of sand in comparison to the desert and described as just a small speck. If we now start to visualize the size of universe based on this comment, our minds will start spinning. But equally amazing is the narration of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, how he described the size of heavens in his narrations 1400 years ago, when science and technology did not exist in their current state. So let's check what the Quran and Hadith say about the universe. In the Quran, Allah, the most glorified and the most high, mentions at multiple places that He has created 7 heavens in the sky. We will examine two such verses. First verse, it is He, Allah, who created for you all of that which is on the earth. Then He directed Himself to the heaven, His being above all creation, and made them 7 heavens. And He is knowing of all things. This is in chapter number 2, verse number 29. Another verse, blessed is He, Allah, in whose hand is the dominion, and He is over all things competent. He who created death and life to test you, as to which of you is best in deed. And He is the exalted in might, the forgiving, and who created 7 heavens in layers. This is in chapter number 67, verse number 3. Quran does not elaborate on the size or any other details about these heavens, but there are hadiths, means narrations by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about the size of the universe, which come very close to what science discovers today. Here is the hadith. The size of first heaven is like the ring thrown in the desert, and the second heaven being desert. The size of second heaven is the ring thrown in the desert compared to third heaven, and the third heaven being the desert. And there are 7 heavens like this. This was said 1400 years ago. Now compare this to what NASA officials said. Just 100 years ago, we thought there is only one galaxy. Means the size of universe was so small in our minds. When we compare the vastness of the universe described by both the sources, they come so close. Isn't it amazing that someone described the universe and the heavens so close to what the science is describing today, without any technology, any scientific instrument? Allahu Akbar. How can one have ever any guess about what is the size of the skies while looking at them with naked eyes only? Allahu Akbar. What more evidence do we need to vouch for the truth of the Quran and Hadith? With this, we have come to an end of today's discussion. We will bring you more talks about the Quran, so keep visiting us and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell sign so that you get notification for all the new videos. If you want to read the Quran in your own language, you can download it from our website www.quranforhumanity.org. May peace and guidance be upon entire humanity.